Hey guys, so if you are a tattoo lover but do not want to go tattoo parlor and do not want to get inked permanently, then I have a solution for you. Today I am going to show you how to make a DIY temporary tattoo at home. Yes, it's so easy, so simple guys. You just need a single thing and that is just a eyeliner. Yeah, you listen right. You just need a eyeliner and then just draw your tattoo and just make eyeliner and just put eyeliner on it and voila, it's done. Yeah, you have your tattoo and you have your temporary tattoo at your home. It's so simple guys, you just take 5 minutes and it's better than that permanent tattoo because it's have lots of advantages like you do not have to spend money, you do not have to wear that paint which I just scared about. There are lots of good thing about this. First, that you do not have to bear that pain. Yeah, when getting inked. I do not want that pain. I just do not want to bear that pain. So I just love this temporary tattoo. And also you do not need to spend your money. You do not need to run to tattoo parlor. You can just make this at home and in just 5 minutes. And it's too easy, too simple guys. And the good thing about is that you can change your design and also you can change colors. Yeah, today there are so many different colors in eyeliner. So you can have fun with those different colors by using that blue, green, red eyeliners and it looks super cool guys. So for this you just need a eyeliner as I said, but make sure that you have waterproof eyeliner. If you do not have waterproof eyeliner, then also I have a solution for you. Then you can make it waterproof. How? So you just need then one thing extra, that is a clear nail paint. So you just need your clear nail paint, put that nail paint and just cover that tattoo with your clear nail paint. And so it's stay 2 to 3 days, and also if you have waterproof eyeliner, then also it can stay 1 day I think. Yeah, it will stay 1 day or 1.5 day. And also you can remove that by using just a makeup remover. And if you do not have a waterproof, then it's just can be removed by water. You just need to clear your nail paint and then it will remove off in just 5 seconds. Yeah, I have also done it before and it looks so original and I just love it, so I just want to share it with you guys. So let's just jump into the video. So this is my design and now I'm going to put eyeliner on it. When you put eyeliner, make sure it should be clear for making clear tattoo. And I'm just taking this liquid eyeliner and just going through on it like so. Just put your eyeliner on your design and it looks so cute. It looks so amazing. You can see the black color. I just love it. And just go through whole design. You can see how it looks like. Be slow, be clear, and then you can get your neat and clean tattoo. You can see how it looks like. I just love this. This black color looks so amazing. I'm just going to finish my design. And here you go. Just make sure you have cover all your pen by just by just coating your eyeliner like so. You can have 2 coats of your eyeliner if you want to make it more jet black type. So it's my final tattoo. You can see how it's look like. It just look like permanent tattoo. And it's cool and it will stay 2 to 3 days, but if you do not have waterproof eyeliner and want to make it waterproof, and if you want to stay it for longer, then you can cover it by your nail paint. So I'm using here a clear nail paint like this. So I'm going to show you how to cover it. Let's do that. You just wait for this to dry, and once it get dry, then just take your clear nail paint and go through it like this. Just make sure your eyeliner is dried out completely. Just go through like this. I know it's crazy putting nail paint on his skin, but sometimes craziness should be there, I think. And voila! We are done. This is my temporary tattoo and it shines so well. So this is my complete tattoo and it's so cute. I just love it. And you can see it do not take 5 minutes. It's just less than 5 minutes and you have made your temporary tattoo and it just looks like the original. I'm just love with it. And if you do not like this shine, which I love, but if you do not like that shine, then just go with your waterproof eyeliner and just fill that colors in your tattoo and you have your temporary tattoo. So if you like this tattoo, if you like my video, then please give it a thumbs up. Please share it to your and also subscribe to my channel by clicking that red button right there, and also you can click here, right here. You can click here red button, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to ask anything from me, then just comment down below in the comment box. Please, I love to hear from you. Make sure that you have clicked on that bell button given in the subscription box. Just click that button. By this you can get notification whenever I will upload new video in future. And thank you for watching guys. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.